Installing accessory racks. Align the accessory bayonet with the slot position. Just tighten it. The remaining accessory racks can be installed using the same method. Installation of accessory rack completed. Small bubble cleaning handle, effect on opening skin pores, softening keratin, deeper cleansing of the skin, improve skin dullness and blackheads, keep the skin clean, translucent, and white, equipped with a board of water grinding head accessories, soft rubber head, frosted hard head, hard rubber head, cleaning head. Align the handle wiring with the instrument hole position. Insert. Place the handle in the accessory rack. Oxygen injection gun, equipped with connecting pipes, inject various nutrients into the deep layers of the skin through atomization. Moisturize the skin. Align and tighten the hole position. Placing accessory racks. Diamond microcarving, a non-invasive, physical shallow abrasion, assist in skin stratum corneum metabolism, clean acne, and blackheads. Accessories come with diamond micro-carved heads and filter cotton sheets. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Shovel vibration knife, high-frequency vibration radio waves, soften skin keratin, deeply cleanse dirt and aged keratin from the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Depot temperature wave technology, firming and elevating the skin, stimulating collagen regeneration. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Nanol import. Single crystal silicon chips act on different layers of the skin, enhance the penetration of the product, and effectively improve the skin, solve skin absorption and effectiveness issues. Be painless and non-invasive. Accessory replacement guide. Align and insert the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Colorful face mask. Deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis using the dynamic response of light. Using different wavelengths for the treatment and repair of damaged tissues. Increase cell vitality and promote absorption. Wiring insertion into mask socket. Align the mask accessory line and insert it tightly. Place the mask on the rear platform. Myban pen. Ionic carbonization for the treatment of high-frequency fever at the tip of the scalp needle. High-density energy acts on the deep tissues of the skin. Achieve the effect of removing moles. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. 5-pole enhancement. Deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis, activating deep cells. Quickly enhance skin cell vitality and metabolism. Promote the regeneration of collagen and elastin, thus achieving the effect of enhancing skin elasticity and tightening the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. With face elevation. Deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis, activating deep cells. Quickly enhance skin cell vitality and metabolism. Promote the regeneration of collagen and elastin, thus achieving the effect of enhancing skin elasticity and tightening the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Cold superconducting technology, shrink pores, calm and repair damaged skin, eliminating redness, swelling, and sensitivity effects. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Flathead vibration atomization for facial operation with facial essence. vibration frequency of 1 to 4 million times per minute, transferred to the skin, absorbed and converted into heat by the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues, make the absorption rate of the product reach over 90%. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Sharp vibration atomization. For eye operation, with eye essence, vibration frequency of 1 to 4 million times per minute, transferred to the skin, absorbed and converted into heat by the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues, make the absorption rate of the product reach over 90%. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Roller speed lifting. Deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis. Activate deep cells and rapidly enhance skin cell vitality. Enhance elasticity and tighten the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Ozone ion, combination of plasma technology and ozone technology, using plasma penetration to improve sensitive skin while generating high-frequency voltage. The electrolysis of oxygen in the air produces ozone, which plays an anti-inflammatory and bactericidal role, effectively improving sensitive and acne-prone skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Radiant oxygen bubbles. After product combination, a large amount of carbon dioxide bubbles are generated on the skin. A large amount of oxygen supply environment is formed inside the skin tissue. Gently remove aged keratin and dead skin. Activate cells to enhance nutrient absorption. Injecting nursing product ingredients into deep layers of the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. High-frequency wave. High-frequency electric sparks can ionize oxygen in the air, generate various reactive oxygen species, and free radical, including ozone. These active substances can be combined with high-frequency currents to penetrate deep into the skin and muscle for the effect of anti-inflammatory, bactericidal, pore unblocking, and promoting healing. Equipped with 3 types of guide heads. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Installation of wastewater bottles. Align insertion. Installing filters. On the right is a diamond carving. Align and insert the diamond carving filter. On the left is the water polishing pen filter. Align insertion. Original liquid bottle A. Deep cleaning essence. Original solution bottle B. Moisturizing essence. Moisturizing essence. Original liquid bottle C. Moisturizing essence. Original liquid D bottle. Clean pipeline. Small bubble water bottle selection A, B, C, D bottle. Choose as needed. Water quantity selection. Twist upwards to increase water volume. Twist downwards to reduce water volume. Small bubble suction selection. Twist upwards to reduce suction. Twist downwards to increase suction force. Choose as needed. Selection of suction force for diamond carving handle. Twist upwards to reduce suction. Twist downwards to increase suction force. Choose suction force size as needed.